Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for August 5th, 2020. If you look at the SPY daily chart, we are still in the uptrend. Like I said, over the weekend market forecast, if we stay above, we'll be able to break about 327.20, the bull in control. So this is the gap, the big gap that we gapped down at beginning of the year. So right now, we try to hurdle to get back to that level, to test it at level 330, 348, and we still on the move to that direction. So when I get into this area here, we need to monitor to see where the market is going to react at this level. But so far, the market is still bullish. We stay with the bull side. In the morning, when the market get up in the smaller time frame, they gap up and then they go sideways. As long as they stay in the sideways, tomorrow they will find a way to get up there. And let's see where they go. Um, and if you are a day trader, so you can see that the market gap up in the immediate future, they yet go sideways. So if you are a day trader at the top, you have to in and out and get some profit and call it a day. So right now, after hour, the market is continue to push it back up in the upside, and let's see where they're heading to tomorrow. And overall, all the index is still doing well. The Dow is trying to retest the level of beginning of the June, and it is still very bullish. And Q also try to push it back up. And Russell 2000 is very strong. They were able to break out this level, and they gain some momentum in the upside also. And gold continue to push it back up as long as the dollar continue to go down. As long as we still printing the money, the gold is still continue to push it back up, and oil is going sideways. The euro also get out and then try to find a way to get up and retest the high again. Bond it collapse after they hit to the sell zone, so they have to continue to put into the downside. If you look at a couple of stocks that we highlight for you on the weekly market forecast, this one here, the last couple of days on the weekend, now it's 150, now it's 155.60 right now. That's one of them. And EGO, that's another one for the gold rush. They still continue to the upside, and they still put in the upside. And ENR, okay, it's still doing well. They try to find a way to shoot it back up. And and a couple of stuff that we highlight. We have in our website, we have a thing we call a watch list. So we analyze and we study, and then where we entry, where to stop loss, and where to target. And a couple of them, the last couple of days, they doing extremely well. So the first of them, one of them, GANW. If you look at this one here, already jump up, 10 point, 12 point already just for the last couple of days. And this one here, it already get in here, and now they take off. And that's another one, McDonald already find a way to get up also. So if you are day trade today, it's tough. So I'm jump in here. I take a quick trade for the long side. They pull back down for the short side because you have to know where the market doing so that you can take a trade very quickly. Okay, and you can done for the day and focus on the swing trader. So my net profit today at $1,542 yet for a little bit of time there, and we done for today. So that's all I have for you today. So if you like what I'm doing here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I will let you know so that you can take a look right away. And if you would like to learn how to trade, how to understand financial market, and how to read the chart correctly by using modern technical analysis, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.